Hey everyone! Today, let's delve into a review of an awesome AI tool, Remove.BG. We'll kick things off by exploring the website and learning more about the company behind it. After that, we'll dive into a live demo of the tool on the website. Finally, we'll wrap it up by checking out the pricing and subscription details. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content. Don't miss out on the latest updates. If you're eager to try out this AI tool, you can find the link in the show notes and visit the site. Let's get started. The homepage displays a variety of sample images depicting the removal of backgrounds for comparison. In the middle of the page, there are highlighted key concepts, such as car dealer samples demonstrating background removal for images. This feature is excellent for enhancing the presentation of your car when listing it for sale. It additionally presents the remarkable Magic Brush tool, a powerful instrument for effortlessly eliminating objects or individuals from an image. This tool provides the freedom to selectively decide which elements to retain and which to eliminate. According to their website, Remove.BG was established in 2018 as a part of Canva and is processing volume exceeding 150 million images monthly and serving over 32 million active users globally. Alright, let's dive into a demonstration. I've just created a quick image on the Midjourney website, a scene with a car navigating a lively street. The idea is to remove the busy street background and see how we can seamlessly integrate a new background into the car image. Ready to give it a try? Following that, proceed to upload the image on the Remove.BG website and watch the magic unfold. You have the option to select from various background templates or upload your own to customize the background. Here's an interesting tidbit: Remove.BG can actually remove backgrounds from videos too. Pretty neat, huh? But we'll save that for another video. Okay, I've decided to park the car in the garage. It surprisingly looks pretty realistic, don't you think? So, to sum it up, we started with the car in a busy street, and then, after working some Remove.BG magic, we've got the car neatly parked in the garage. Let's dive into the specifics of subscriptions and pricing. The free account comes with 1 free credit and 50 free previews per month, accessible through API and compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Adobe Photoshop. Now, for the subscription plans, monthly fees range from $9 to $389, with higher savings as you choose higher tier plans. Opting for the yearly plan grants a 10% discount. Additionally, there's a pay-as-you-go option, allowing payments from $1.99 to 40 cents per image. Select the plan that aligns best with your specific requirements.
Hey there, AI enthusiasts. If you're fascinated by the incredible world of artificial intelligence and want to stay updated on the latest mind-blowing discoveries, cutting-edge technologies, and insightful discussions, make sure to hit that subscribe button.